Hello all, Vinod here from Endurance Engineering Academy. See, recently, okay, before 1 month, there was a notice that few public sector units are going to be privatized. Okay, that is few PSUs are going to be privatized. Okay, right. The queries which I am getting recently. Okay, so I thought of not talking about this sensible issue because it's not actually in our hand. Okay, so it's not actually in our hand, so I thought not to talk about it, but I just want to give few suggestions for the students, engineering students. Okay, right. See, please don't focus on negatives. Okay, so here, yes, of course, if they are going to privatize the PSUs, it is going to be a negative thing, one negative thing. Okay, but try to focus on positive things. Okay, try to focus only on positive things as much as possible. Okay, so one thing from all these points, I just want to make it very clear. Okay, all these points which I'm saying now, it's my point of view. Okay, I'm not against anyone, or I'm not anything, like nothing is there. It's just my point of view. If you want to take it, you take it, or just you leave it. Okay, right, right. So see, we are an engineers, right? So if you are a mechanical engineer, okay, if you are a mechanical engineer, then you cannot be a mechanical engineer without understanding thermodynamics, without understanding strength of materials, without understanding fluid mechanics, without understanding heat transfer. So you will be a mechanical engineer only if you understand these subjects, right? Manufacturing sciences, of course. If you are electrical and communication student, EC engineer, right, communication engineer, then obviously you need to study signals and system. You need to understand signals and systems. You need to study communications, right? I don't know the other topics. Okay, power electronics, right? And similarly for electrical and triple E also, electrical and electronics, such as signals and systems will be there, and even you will be studying about missions, all those things. Okay, and of course if you are a civil engineer, you need to study about solid mechanics, soil mechanics, fluid mechanics, and the structures, etc. You will be a complete engineer, okay, in the respective field only if you able to understand those topics clearly, right? So if you want to become an engineer properly, these topics has to be understood properly. Now, if suppose PSUs are not recruiting through GATE, that is PSUs are privatized and they are not recruiting through GATE, anyways, it's all my point of view, it's my point of view. Anyways, PSUs has to recruit the students, because without engineers they cannot run the institute, right? They cannot run that particular company. So obviously they need engineers for running it. Okay, so obviously they are going to recruit, but maybe by other means, for example by keeping separate exams, or through any other means. But whatever may be the means, if you are an engineer, you need to know about your subject, right? You need to know about, if you are a mechanical engineer, you need to know about thermodynamics, that is for sure. Maybe if you are getting deviated and if you are going for some other field in management side, then you doesn't need, you can just keep your degree for namesake. Okay, but if you want to become a proper engineer of your field, then obviously the core subjects of your department has to be understood properly, right? Then even if they privatize also, you could survive in that. Okay, that only if you are able to, like only if you are going to become master in your field. Okay, so this is my point of view. So what is the thing? Even though if they are going to privatize, there is going to be some means by which they are going to recruit. We don't know, actually. This is a situation where we don't know what's going to happen. But what is there in our hand, the knowledge which we could gain, okay, the knowledge which we could gain in our respective field. Okay, this is common for all the engineering aspirants. Don't be in a fear. Okay, I used to get a message continuously, they are removing this from that, they are changing it, they are making ISRO privatized, they are making this privatized. Please don't focus on negatives. Okay, try to develop your knowledge as much as possible. Okay, so that when they are going to keep, for example, ISRO is keeping exams regularly. They are not going to remove it, that is for sure. They are going to keep the exams regularly. Okay, they have to recruit it. Human resources are needed. Okay, maybe the amount of quantity, the quantity of human resources may reduce. Okay, the amount of human resources which is required may reduce. But without human resources, they cannot survive, right? So we as an engineer, they need us. Okay, so obviously they need us. So please don't focus on negatives. If you are a GATE aspirant, or if you are an engineering service aspirant, or ISRO, or whatever exam, if you are planning for, try to focus on your technical subjects, core subjects properly, try to develop the knowledge as much as possible. Okay, right. Now this is from my side, this is from my point of view. Okay, so what is my point of view? Try to develop in your topic, try to develop in your particular field, try to become master in your particular field, try to learn the subjects, and obviously you will be in a perfect position which you decide for. See, one thing which I believe is focusing on results when you are doing the work. Okay, focusing on results, only focusing on results when you are doing the work is not going to work out. So try to focus on the work rather than focusing on the results. Few things are not there in our hand, you need to understand that clearly. See, for example, if they are recruiting only 5%, okay, they are recruiting only 5% in some company, for example, any company, BPCL or SPCL, I'm not, like, whatever it may be, if it is not privatized or PSU or whatever it is, they are recruiting 5%. If you are very good at your subject, your core subject, technical knowledge, then obviously you are going to be one among the 5. That is what I'm saying. Focus on positives instead of focusing on negatives, right? Fine. Of course, this is not in our hand, I'm repeatedly saying, but I am asking you to be focused. Okay, that is very important, right? Now, you are seeing PSUs are getting privatized, but one thing to note, there is something called as IITs. Why nobody is looking at it? I don't know. Why you don't want to do MTech, Masters, PhDs in IITs? Okay, it's really a great opportunity to do Masters in IITs through GATE, right? So that is still there, right? And the fee hike is also not going to happen. They officially released it. They are not going to increase the fee for this year, and sure, they are not going to increase it much, even though if they are going to increase, and you will be getting stipend regularly, right? So that's what I'm saying. So don't keep your vision in a very short manner. PSU, this is what I want. If they are going to privatize this PSU, then what I will be doing. Keep it open and try to focus on your subjects. Try to develop the knowledge. Surely you are going to become you will be getting a success, whatever you required for. Okay, whatever you wanted for. But one request is, don't focus on the result, please. There are many things which you can do. Okay, there are many things which you can do. There are many things which we can never do, which we cannot, like even if we think, or even if we try also, we cannot do. Okay, so that privatization of PSU is also like that. As an aspirant, okay, as a GATE aspirant or as an ISRO aspirant, as a students, presently we are not what I could say, we are not in the position to change that thing, right? We can only focus on positives which we could do. We can focus on the things which we can do effectively. Seriously, there may be some negative comments, or what I could say, opposition for the statements which I am keeping. Even though it is up to you, it is my point of view. I am saying it. If you like it, yes, fine. Try to do that. If you don't like it, just leave it, and you can just leave this matter and you can focus on something else. Okay. So ultimately, my my thought was, try to focus on some positive things which is going to happen in future. See, presently we are in a pandemic situation, and once after recovering from this, surely I believe that it's going to be a flourish in our way of life. Okay, so try to be positive. Okay, everything will be all right. So don't think about privatization of PSU, please. Okay, this is something like a motivation lecture or something like that, but I don't know. Okay, because I'm getting many negative comments. I'm getting many, not only in YouTube, personally also. So I thought of not doing this video, but I need to do this video because maybe there may be some 5 or 6 persons who could listen to me. Even I don't want everyone to listen to me, but 5-6 person who can listen to me and they can focus on something which they can do instead of focusing on something which they cannot do. Okay, so that will be done, that will be enough. So try to focus on something which you can do. Don't worry. Okay, so be happy, chill.